The airline industry has waited a long time for this, but finally the government has announced that foreign direct investment, known as FDI, will be allowed. This means the potential for millions of dollars of foreign investment into the domestic aviation industry. FDI was suggested 16 years ago, but complicated Indian politics hindered the move. Since then, it's a subject that's been on the back burner until now. The media has been full of speculation for months that a breakthrough for the airline industry was on the cards. In the meantime, some airlines have done well, others are suffering. Some industry observers blame bad management techniques, strong unions, and even indirectly the economic downturn being experienced in North America and Europe. Many believe that if the industry is to survive, restrictions on foreign company ownership have to be relaxed.
So bringing in FDI is something that's going to help the industry grow better, be managed better, and make it more profitable, providing more opportunities for the people rather than any kind of job losses.
Last November, airlines posted their projected losses for the second quarter of 2012. It didn't make for good reading. Fuel and tax were blamed. The huge losses announced spoke volumes. The associated costs with fuel can account for over half the running costs of the business in total. In April, the CEO and chairman of Emirates Airlines were in India speaking with aviation officials. Some suggest this is where future investment may come from, rather than from ailing economies in North America or Europe.
They would primarily come in from the carriers in the Gulf and Middle East, and also from Southeast Asia, because these are the two regions that are showing the strongest economic growth, and the carriers are also much better off financially.
Some domestic airlines are in much better financial position than others, so surviving could come down to attracting investment for growth rather than asking for a foreign-backed bailout. India's airline industry was at a crossroads, with many wondering what direction it was going to take. Foreign direct investment may mean development, growth, healthy competition, and even cheaper ticket prices for the consumer. The government's decision means the skies are the limit for Indian carriers and their investors. Sohail, Rahman, Al Jazeera, Chennai.